welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to another vlog. So in today's video, I have decided to go to Banjara Market. It is a very popular street market in Delhi, or actually it's in Gurgaon, so not technically Delhi. But yeah, that's one market we have never been to before and we've heard a lot of good things about it. First of all, it's extremely affordable and you get a wide variety of things, like you can find crockery, home decor and whatnot. I will show you everything once I reach there. Yeah, we thought we haven't really seen that market before, so we decided to go and explore that. In fact, Diwali is around the corner, so it is a great idea to go for shopping. So that's what I am going to be doing today. It's 4 o'clock and we are leaving right now, so let's go. I've made it to the Banjara market and I'm amazed. This is literally a haven for all the interior design lovers and obviously the people who love to buy home decor. If you want to shop for quirky furniture and home decor at affordable prices, Banjara Market is an ideal choice for you. It's filled with a variety of furniture, vintage lamps, mirrors, pottery rugs, small storage boxes, even macrame hangings, cushion covers and actually whatnot. You name it and you will find it here. All the latest and trendiest home decor is available. You will find antique carpentry and chic woodwork here. And the best part is that you can purchase so many beautiful things without burning a hole in your pocket. Just use your bargaining skills and shop like a pro. In fact, the more you buy here in terms of quantity, the lesser you end up paying per piece, because obviously they are willing to give it to you at lower prices or wholesale prices. And just look at these birds, so colorful and vibrant. Now let me give you an idea of what are the kind of prices you can expect in the Banjara market. Starting off with mirrors and frames and partitions. These are available from rupees 250 onwards, obviously depending on the size. You also get tables and table sets for as low as rupees 400. The crockery available here, that is the bowls, pasta plates, etc., are available to you for the bare minimum of 50 rupees. In fact, if you buy it in bulk, you can get it for an even lower price per piece. And other home decor items like photo frames, wall hangings, candle stands, etc. are also available for as low as 100 rupees. You get some awesome home decor for really low prices. And even these planters and pots are available for really low prices. And on our way back, we decided to take a quick look at Shopper Stop. Gurugram has one of the biggest stores here, and as you can see, it's perfectly lit for the Diwali season. Clearly, the winter collection is here, and in fact, it's actually getting quite cold in Delhi. Hey guys, so I am back from the market. It's actually been quite a lot of time. I had dinner and it was a very long and tiring day, because let me tell you, Banjara market is huge. Like, it is a street market. सब कुछ ऐसे road पे पड़ा हुआ है, but it's still huge. मतलब हम भी सिर्फ एक ही side जा पाए. We left one side of the market. It was way too big and we were really tired. But although I feel like कि similar चीजें ही मिल रही होती है पूरे market में, it's just that who can give it to you for cheaper, because you can do a lot of bargaining over there. You can literally get the things at 1/3 price of what they quote. And we also picked up a few items, although there was so much more to shop from, honestly, but we really restricted ourselves and only bought the things we actually required, because there's no point to unnecessarily clutter your house. So firstly, we bought a few rugs and mats, basically because you know the winter season is coming. Mats and rugs really make your room feel very cozy and warm, and that's exactly what we are looking for. So firstly, I got this really pretty yellow mat, or basically like a bed runner for my room. So as you guys know, the main theme of my room is black and white, and I really want to add some accent colors into it. So I thought this rug would be perfect. I will place it right in front of the bed. It's pretty soft and I just really like the design and color. So I got this mat for 300 rupees. The next thing is also another bed runner. This one is for my parents' room, and as you can see, it's like super soft. And we got this rug for I think 700 or 800 rupees, which is a great deal for these rugs. And lastly, in this category, we got these two mats as well. So the first one is this really pretty and super soft mat. It's pink, white and grey. And again, I got this for my room because I wanted to add a pop of color, so love that. And this also looked really pretty to me. I'll put it in front of the bathroom door. And then I got a similar one in black, white and grey because they were giving a good deal on two mats, so I bought both of them. And both of these mats costed me 300 together, so like 150 per mat. So the next category is of crockery, and when I tell you there's literally so much crockery to choose from, so many designs, so many colors, shapes and whatnot. Pura bhandar hai wahan pe crockery ka. Although we didn't get a lot of things because again it's just unnecessary, but I got a few things. Let me show you. Firstly are these really pretty pastel color bowls. I just loved the color, so I had to get it. One in pastel green or like sage green and one in pastel pink. And the next thing is these two plates. They're basically pasta plates. Again, they looked really pretty. There were a few colors as well. There was one in blue and yellow, but we thought the grey ones looked good, so I got this and I'm really excited to use these. It just looks so aesthetic, right? I got all of this crockery, all the 4 pieces for a total of 300 rupees. I am assuming the bowls were like 50-50 each and about 100 for each plate. So since we went in the evening time and andhera bhi ho jata hai around 6 o'clock nowadays, so they're also more willing to sell their products. So yeah, you can get like really good deals in Banjara market. You'll find a lot of bohemian and rustic things over there, but you can also find a lot of modern things. And also lastly, I got these two big white pots for basically keeping my plant. I'll put the clips here because it's too heavy to carry. And we also got a small pot with it. I got all these 3 pieces for around 200 rupees. So again, that's a very good deal. And yeah, that's all the shopping I did from Banjara market. I think that's one place that we will for sure visit again because there's still so much to see and buy, honestly. If you made it till here, comment these emojis. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and got an insight as to what Banjara market looks like. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.